car seat installers, and today I will be looking at the Britax B-Safe infant car seat, and I will show you how to properly harness and place a child into this car seat. Step 1. Loosen the harness. Unbuckle the chest clip and the crotch buckle. Step 2. Place the harness straps to the side. Step 3. Place the child into the seat with their bump all the way towards the back. Step 4. Buckle the crotch buckle and chest clip. Step 6. Pull the adjuster strap to tighten the harness straps around the child's shoulder. It should be tight enough that you can't fit more than one finger or pinch any slack in the straps. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in contact with us. If you like our videos, please like them and subscribe to our channel.